Welcome back to another video. Today we have deals, Milwaukee deals, M12 deals are live, guys. I know they were live a week ago, Monday, but now they actually took them down and they are live now. So go and get them before they sell out. These will sell out, at least the better deals will sell out. So definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below to the description section of these two deals of this page. So anyways, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. All right, let's start with this $129.99. I don't know if you guys know, we do have two different deals. So this is the cheaper one. This is the M12 12 volts, 4 amp hour, 2 amp hour battery packs and charger starter kit. Oh, and also big shout out to all the YouTubers, Joe the Tool Guy, Tool Boss, that posted this first before me. So I give credits to them for posting this first. Also, this is the 4 amp hour and the 2 amp hour battery. So $129, guys. And then you got the free selector tool, as you guys see right here. You guys click on that and you guys are going to get the free tool. Hopefully it'll let me do it. It says $49.99. You got the 12 volt 400 lumen cordless lights. You got the stapler. I do have the stapler. I still need to do a review on this one. I did get this deal back when it started. So M12 12 volts jigsaw, $99. You got the oscillating tool, $89. You got the rotary tool, $89. Lots of great deals. Let's just go back to the other page that we, that's Amazon. Let me see if we can go forward. All right, so it did take me out. All right, let's see here if we could go back. Right here, 12 volt Milwaukee. All right, so we're back again. All right, so this is the two deal. This is the two battery deal starter kit. So two 6 amp hour battery packs starter. You got the, like I said, $199. Both of them. This is a great deal. You're actually getting better tools on this one than you are getting on the other one. Like this, for example, this is a Worth light. If you guys haven't checked out my video, I do have another video comparing this light to the M18. This wasn't my light. It's actually my brother. He lent it to me so I could do the review. But it's a great light. I think this is the way to go. This lighter, it's just a lot of light for the weight and the size. So $169, it's 1,400 lumen rocket light. You got the M12 3/8 ratchet to only $149. You got the 12 volt lithium cordless Bluetooth AFM job site radio with charger, $119. That's a really nice deal. You got the M12 12 volt extended capacity 6 amp hour battery pack, $119. You got the fuel 12 volt brushless cordless quarter-inch impact driver, $129. The circ saw, $149. Definitely, if you want to gonna hack this and keep those batteries, you guys want to select the most expensive tool, which is this one or the circ saw. So anyways, if you guys want further explanation of how to do that, let me know that in the comment section. I can leave you guys a separate video on that. So anyways, I'll leave the link down below to the description section of these both deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.